children, how are you all? I hope you all are fantastic. Myself Shailaja Dhumal and I welcome you all to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Okay, so children, today we are going to learn literacy skill book. So take my first steps with Cambridge Upper KG literacy skill book. Today's session we are going to learn on literacy skill book. Okay, so children, in the previous session, what we have learned? Come on, try to open the page which we have learned in the previous session. Come on, open the page and tell me the page number. हमने last period में क्या सीखा है? आप page turn करके check करो. Come on. Yes. Now tell me, what was the page number? What we have learned? Yes, we have learned some vocabularies. Yes, not some. We have learned many vocabularies. 3 pages we have learned. Yes, page number 10, page number 11, page number 12. These 3 pages we have learned in the previous session. Okay, so today also we are going to practice some more words. Today also we are going to learn some more words. Okay, so come to page number 1313. So children, I hope you have opened this page, page number 1313. Okay, so children, tell me, try to recognize the picture. Which picture is this? Yes, this is a tiger. Yes, correct. But tiger के baby को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? What we call to young one of tiger? Cub. Very nice, very good. Next, is this looking like a igloo? So is this igloo? This picture is igloo. Then which picture is this? Den. Very nice. And which picture is this? Come on, try to recognize the picture. Tin. T-I-N, tin. Okay. Now tell me, which picture is this? Is this a rabbit? Is this a mouse? Then which picture is this? This is a cat. Very nice. Next, which picture is this? Is this a spoon? Then net. Can you see here? This is a net and we can hold this lid. Okay, we can hold this stand. So this is called net. Next, what is this? Which picture is this? हम लोग क्या लगाते हैं इसमें? Plant करते हैं ना, इसमें plant लगाते हैं ना. So which picture is this? Pot. Pot. Yes. So children, if you will see, here one box is there. Right? Here one box is there. In this box there are the words. Okay, इस box में कुछ words है. What we have to do is, in front of this picture, we have to write the name of these pictures, the name of these animals, these things, the names of these things we have to write in front of the picture with the help of this box. In this box, words are there. With the help of this box, we are going to write the words in front of this picture. Okay, so first we will read this. Repeat after me. C-U-B cub, C-U-B cub, D-E-N den, C-A-T cat, C-A-T cat, P-O-T pot, P-O-T pot, T-I-N tin, T-I-N tin, N-E-T net, N-E-T net. Okay, now children, come to this picture. Tell me, what is the name of this animal? Yes, what is the name of this young one? Cub. So what is the spelling of cub? Come on, search here. Yes, here it is. So give 1 mark and write here. C-U-B cub. Say and write. C-U-B cub. C-U-B cub. Next picture. Which picture is this? Is this its igloo? Then the lion lives in a den. So what is the spelling of den? C-A-T cat, P-O-T pot, T-I-N tin, N-E-T net, and this one is, yes, D-E-N den. So mark here and write here. Say D-E-N den, D-E-N den, D-E-N den. Next, cat, pot, tin, net. Is this a cat? Is this a pot? Is this a net? Then what is the name of this picture? Tin. Right here, T-I-N, tin. T-I-N, tin. T-I-N, tin. Come to next picture. Which picture is this? Mark here, below the tin. Is this a cat? Is this a pot? Or is this a net? C-A-T, cat. Very nice. So write here, C-A-T, cat. Say C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. Come to next picture. Which picture is this, children? Below cat, give one mark. Is this pot? Is this net? Yes. So write the spelling of net. What is the spelling of net? Come on, tell me. Yes, N-E-T, net. Very good. Write here, N-E-T, net. N-E-T, net. Okay, and last one remaining. Which one is? Pot. So what will be the spelling of pot? What is the spelling of pot? Come on, say P-O-T. Very good. P-O-T. P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, pot. Say C-U-B, cub. C-U-B, cub. D-E-N-den. D-E-N-den. T-I-N-tin. T-I-N-tin. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. N-E-T, net. N-E-T, net. P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, pot. Okay, completed, children. Come to page number 1414. Come to page number 1414. Have you opened this page? Okay. Now, see, here also one practice page is there. Okay, some more words we are going to learn again. So, see children, name the pictures, choose words from the help box. Here one help box is given. From this help box, we are going to choose the words and we will write in front of this picture. But before that, tell me, try to recognize the picture. Which picture is this, children? Yes? Is this a cap or is this a hat? Two differences are there. In cap and in hat, there is a difference. Okay. So tell me, is this a cap or hat? Hat. Very nice. Next. Which picture is this? Is this a table or is this a bed? Bed. Yes, bed. Next. Which picture is this? Yes? Come on. If you want, you can read these words. Try to read and recognize this picture also. Okay? Which picture is this? Hen. Very nice. And here, come to this side. Which picture is this? Cup. Cup. Next. What is this? What we do with this? This is a tub. Okay? Tub. We take bath in this tub, right? Next. What is this? What is this? Bin. Bin. Okay? So children, we will read this word first. Repeat after me. Look at to the board. Say, C-U-P, cup. C-U-P, cup. H-E-N, hen. H-E-N, hen. Come on, say it loudly. H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. B-E-D, bed. B-E-D, bed. B-I-N, bin. B-I-N, bin. T-U-B, tub. T-U-B, tub. Come to this picture. Tell me which picture is this? Hat. Very nice. So what is the spelling of hat? Come on, read. Yes. H-A-T, hat. Say H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. Now see children, while writing letter T, you have to give sleeping line between the red and blue line. Okay children? Next. Say H-A-T, hat. Next picture. Come to next picture. Which picture is this? Bed. So what is the spelling of bed? This is cup, hen, bed, bin, tub. So what is the spelling of bed? Yes. Say B-E-D, bed. B-E-D, bed. B-E-D, bed. Very nice. And which picture is this? Hen. Very nice. So what is the spelling of hen? Come on, see. Cup, hen, bin, tub. Then what is the spelling of hen? Here it is. Say H-E-N, hen. Say H-E-N, hen. H-E-N, hen. Come to this picture. Which picture is this? Cup. So what is the spelling of cup? Tub, bin, cup. Yes. Now say the spelling. C-U-P, cup. C-U-P, cup. C-U-P, cup. Come to next picture. Which picture is this? This is a tub. Mark it below the cup. Let up cup. Next. Which picture is this? We take bath, right? So what we call to this? Tub. What? Tub. This is bin and this is tub. This is the spelling of bin, this is the spelling of tub. So what is the spelling of tub? Yes. T-U-B, tub. T-U-B, tub. T-U-B, tub. T-U-B, tub. Last one. What is the name of this picture? Below tub, one mark. Remaining is bin. So read the spelling, children. Come on. Yes. B-I-N, bin. B-I-N, bin. B-I-N, bin. Say H-A-T, hat. B-E-D, bed. H-E-N, hen. C-U-P, cup. T-U-B, tub. B-I-N, bin. Okay? Have you completed till here? Okay. Now come to page number 1515. Have you opened this page, children? Okay. So, I hope you have opened this page. Now, children, this will be your homework. Okay. So, this is your homework. You have to complete at your home. Take the help from your parents also. Abhi humne 2 pages. We have solved 2 pages, right? Same way, you have to solve this page. Help box is there. You have to recognize this picture and take word. You have to recognize this picture, and from this box you have to read the spelling, and in front of each picture you have to write correct word, correct spelling of that word. This is fig. This is cup. This is bat. This is sun. This is pen. This is a fan. This is a mat, this is a mouse, and this is a car. Okay. So just repeat after me. C-U-P, cup. F-A-N, fan. S-U-N, sun. F-I-G, fig. M-A-T, mat. R-A-T, rat. Yes, this is a rat. R-A-T, rat. C-A-R, car. B-A-T, bat. P-E-N, pen. Okay, in front of this picture you have to write the correct word. Okay, children. So write here H-W. This will be your homework. Okay, and while writing the spelling you have to say and write. Like example, now which picture is this? This is a fig. F-I-G, fig. Give one mark below that spelling. F-I-G, fig. You have to say 3 to 4 times. F-I-G, fig. F-I-G, fig. F-I-G, fig. F-I-G, fig. Or else you can put your finger, first of all, while writing, write F-I-G. Say and write. And again you have to read F-I-G, fig. F-I-G, fig. Okay. Like this you have to say 4 to 5 times. Okay, children. So, children, today also we have learned many words, right? Many vocabularies we have learned. And I hope you understand today's content also. Okay, I have given the homework of page number 1515. You have to complete at your home. One more thing, if you have not prepared the chart of phonic sound, please prepare today itself. Okay, we'll see you in the next session. Till then, take care.